This video is sponsored by unolist.com.
Alright, I don't know how useful this is, but today we want to show you guys how to change this coupler that's broken. As you can see, it's broken off. One of the teeth is broken off. This thing has 4 teeth. One of them is broken off, so we would like to replace that with a new one. And this grinder, or mixer grinder, it's called a Preethi Eco Plus, but the same rules apply to a lot of the Preethi models. So let's get started. Alright, you just need something flat like a screwdriver. You don't need any other special tools to take this coupler off. Yeah, apply gentle force. Don't apply too much force at once. So make sure you align it correctly. And it should go in easily, pretty easily if you put it correctly. That's it. When you get a new coupler in, all you got to do is just press it in with your 2 fingers, and it should be good to go. Thank you for watching.